Well, I am up and out of here bright and early this morning. It's about 7:15. I have no cell phone reception down here, so I can't even get online and watch Totally Kathy. So I might as well move on. I'm going to go look at a little bit of land not too far from here and make my way to my next state park destination.
She's lost. She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again.
I just checked in for a day use. I was thinking about camping here tonight, but they have a burn ban, and so I'm not gonna. But I'm gonna go ahead and drive around. I have a state park pass, so it doesn't cost me anything to come in and check it out. So I'm gonna check it out. So I know I've camped here before years ago, and I really enjoyed it. So yeah, it's a bummer I can't camp here tonight, but I can't. So, well, this is really nice. This little covered picnic group area. That would be handy for Lollapalooza. Cute. So yeah, I liked the looks of this as far as a Lollapalooza destination because the way the loops are. Like this is one loop, and then the other loop's right behind it, so people would be able to mingle. Very pretty. I had planned on camping at Martin Creek, but with the burn ban, I decided not to. I had previously checked out a place called Brushy Creek, a Corps of Engineers campground on Lake of the Pines, so that's where I headed next. Checking out Brushy Creek Campground. It's a Corps of Engineers, and it looks like it's closed. Closed for season. Well, that frickin' sucks. All year campsite $16 to $42. Park closed for season. So I had looked up Brushy Creek before I came out here, and it said it was open year round. It's not. So there's 3 or 4 Corps of Engineers campgrounds around this lake, so I'm going to the next one. All right, trying out Buckhorn Creek. Let's see if we have any better luck here. Well, so far so good. It doesn't have any blockages on the road.
In 800 feet, your destination will be on the right.
Thank you, Carmen. Appreciate that. And let's see what we can see. Alrighty then, Buckhorn Creek was a no-go. Packed in like sardines. So they had several open sites, but they were not conducive to my needs. I don't want a view of an RV. So I'm trying out the next one. It's called Alley Cats or something. I don't know. If this one doesn't work, I'm heading to a different state park, I guess. Try number 3, Alley Creek Park.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Lockmount Road.
Sure is pretty here. I wish I could find a spot. We'll see. Yep, campground closed. Campground open year round. This is stupid, y'all. Alright, Tyler State Park it is. That's where I am now. It said this was built by the CCC in 1935 through 1940. It's very pretty so far. I've never stayed at this state park, so this will be another first for me. So, this day is not going well. I pulled in and they waited on the guy in front of me, and then she told me, well, our office closes from 12 to 1, so you'll just have to come back in an hour. Okay, well, can I drive through the park and check out a site? Well, I guess you can, but you don't set up anywhere now till you come back up here. Well, aren't they like, they have an R for reserved, A for available? Not always, she said. What's the point of all? Anyway, I was about to go into a big rant, but I'm not gonna. I'm just gonna go see if I can find a little camp spot and chill out for about an hour. I'm starting. So far, Tyler State Park is about as unimpressive as they get. Stacked and packed is what they are. Stacked and packed. So after driving around the state park for a little while, what I realized is that there's one big long loop, and along that loop are all kinds of different little campgrounds. Now, the main ones, I suppose, are the RV sites, and those are so stacked and packed on top of each other. But as you go around the campground, the loop, there's all sorts of different loops depending on your needs. I ended up choosing a little campsite in the tent camping area, so it's water only, no electric hookups, and no one else was down here. It turned out to be a stellar night. Armadillos are one of the loudest animals in the forest. Most animals kind of walk lightly. Not dillos. Uh-uh. You know they're there. That tree just threw something at me.